Hello, my name is Grayson and this is my 2003 Subaru WRX. I recently welded on the new radiator support. Now we're going to get this thing put back together and driving again.
I bought all new OEM parts to freshen up the engine bay a bit. Including an aftermarket turbo inlet. Because I got a JDM front end and fenders, I did the wiring for the indicators to work. After 20 years, the factory hoses became crunchy and shattered everywhere, so I replaced them. I also got a cold air intake to replace the cracked and compromised OEM oil. We finished buttoning up a few more things before starting her up again after over a year and a half of sitting. The JDM STi front end I bought last January finally got installed onto the car with all new clips and fasteners. Finished with an oil change and a new oil filter. Loaded off the jack stands and drove it again after such a long time.
I cannot describe in words how good it feels to drive my favorite car again. And this is only phase one of my WRC replica build. Samui yo.